Welcome my fellow friends of stationery, paper and everything related to it. Today we are here to unbox a little mystery box of stationery. It is the Papergang from Oh Deer. This is the May one. I was giving this, so yeah, this is gifted. Didn't pay for this, will send this for free. Perhaps because I've previously mentioned Oh Deer as one of my favorite places to shop for stationery online. Coincidentally, this has been designed by Twin Pines Creative, which if you remember, I think that at the start of this month, or like, you know, late last month, I mentioned them as one of my favorite indie designers. I think that it's amazing that both Oh Deer and by proxy also Papergang support these independent designers. Frustratingly, I have gotten this kind of a bit too late, so basically when I came back from my birthday trip to Prague, this was waiting for me, and by that point it was almost too late already to order it. I believe that the June Papergang is just out. I believe that it looks kind of jungly, but don't trust me too much on that. Just go have a look yourself. Wow, ooh, stuff. Here is a free little patch, which is great because, like, you know that I collect pins, but I also love patches. This is Drew, the leader of the Papergang. And you know, when you subscribe to the Papergang membership, you're gonna get one of these and you can flaunt him and make other paper maniacs know that you're part of the team. So now everything's kind of hiding in this little nice purple wrapping paper. This is gonna go everywhere. In every Papergang you get this little booklet, so it seems like this one is basically like a nice sort of promo for Twin Pines. There's a little like an interview with them, some pictures of their studio. Oh, it's a nice studio. Ugh, don't look at this mess. I really need to revisit the reorganizing efforts, I think. So if you remember from my last video, I do like the Twin Pines cards, so there's two of them. One. Oh, another patch! So this one just says, forever awkward. Yeah. I believe that you often get like a little monthly planner or like a little monthly, just this like a thing that you can stick into your sketchbook or something with every Papergang. This one doesn't actually have the month on it, so you can use it for any month. As you can see, it's blank when it comes to the month-less. So that's actually nice, because if it was made for May, I wouldn't be really able to use it anymore. Oh my god! Okay. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is like a daily planner. It is, yes. So this is a daily planner. Once again, if you've watched a whole bunch of my stationery videos, you know that I'm heavily into this type of thing. On the right, you have this like kind of like timed sort of organizer from 6 AM to 9 PM, and on the left you just have like a simple to-do list and a date. Yeah, very nice, and nice colors as well. It's a nice kind of color blocky, simple thing. And what is this? It's a tote bag! Oh. Sorry, I maybe got a bit too excited. But I don't have any like lilac purple tote bags. That's a really cute color. Because you know, summer is coming and that always kind of ignites this love for pastel colors in me, so you're all kinds of awesome. I will shop for wine with this. And that's that. So basically, if you order a Papergang box, you don't know what's gonna be in it in the next one that you're getting after you've made your order, but it costs about a tenner. If you pay for like a longer subscription and you pay up front, then each of the Papergangs is actually a bit cheaper. But I think that if you pay monthly, then they're about a tenner or like 10.50, and on top of that you pay shipping, and the shipping I think is about 3 quid. I think that's in this specific case, like I think that like £13 including the shipping is actually a really nice deal, because you have the tote bag and you have this whole thingy, and yeah, and then you have 2 cards and a patch, and I think that, you know, for a tenner that's actually really nice, because normally these would be probably like 2.50 or 3 quid each. This would be at least a fiver. And a tote bag probably between 3 and 5, and the patch probably, you know, 2 to 3 pounds. So yeah, like I think that this time, especially because I genuinely loved everything that's in this, I feel really lucky. that, you know, I got it for free as well. So yeah, if you're visiting Ohh Deer and maybe you're thinking about buying someone a present, you know, if you're looking for a present for someone who's obsessed with paper goods like me, then maybe you don't have to get them a thing, you can get them a subscription. I did have a subscription to Papergang once in the past, and I think that even then my favorite part about it was the design, because like you would get these unique things, and I think that even that adds some value. Sometimes you can get some of these things on the Ohh Deer website once that the Papergang is over. Sometimes there's like a bit of like surplus stock and you can still buy it on the website, but usually not all of it. And that's it from me for today. This has been kind of a short and sweet one, but if you ever need more of me, then you can always visit me on my Instagram accounts. I do have two. One of them is called the same as this account. That's the one where I post my illustrations. And the second one is called Kaki Blog. That one has like just pictures of my life. If you're more interested in my life in Edinburgh and Scotland, I recommend you visit the photo one. If you're more interested in stationery and art, then visit my illustration one. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this tiny haul, and I will see you soon.